Story name: A Farmer and His Son's Story in English with Moral. Once there was an old farmer who lived in a village. He had 3 sons. They always quarreled with one another. The farmer was very worried. He wanted to see them united. He decided to teach them a lesson. One day he brought a bundle of sticks and asked them to break it. They tried their best but could not succeed. Then the farmer untied the bundle. He told them to break the sticks one by one. They succeeded in breaking the sticks easily. The farmer said to them, "Union is strength." When the sticks were united in the form of a bundle, you could not break them. The farmer said to them, "Union is strength." When the sticks were united in the form of a bundle, you could not break them. Moral of the story: union is strength. United we stand and divided we fall.